Yeah, I was eating this hot dog. And it had all this purple stuff over it. It's horrible. Like, it's disgusting. I didn't even realize what I was eating. It was like all some kind of purple stuff. Nasty. Yeah, no, I know. No, I haven't got there yet. I'll call you as soon as the meeting's over, alright? Alright, love you. See ya. Yeah, honey, which way is it? Yeah, I know, I went west on... Gosh, I'm gonna be late for the meeting. Which way is it? So it's by the White House now. Why didn't you say that at first? Yeah. It's this damn cough. Yeah, I know. It's from this hot dog. I don't know what happened. Could you please just tell me which way to go, honey, please? So it's at the White House and I turned west on... Okay. Yeah, I'm here. Which way do I go? The White House is right here. Yeah, I made it. But I was too late. No, I don't want to go